Hey everyone, welcome. My name's Elly, and today I want to take you on a wild ride. Did you know that Discord, the app so many of us use every day, stores trillions of messages? Trillions. And somehow, when you scroll way back in your chat history or search for that funny GIF you sent months ago, it just works. But behind that magic is a story of trial, error, engineering wizardry, and yes, controversy. So let's dive in. The single most important idea is this. As Discord grew, they couldn't just keep stuffing messages into the same old system. They had to keep reinventing their storage, starting with MongoDB, moving to Cassandra, and eventually shifting to ScyllaDB. Every move was about one thing: keeping the system fast and reliable while handling an ocean of messages. Here are the key beats. MongoDB was great in the early days, quick, easy, and flexible, but soon it hit limits. Cassandra came next, and for a while it delivered, but at trillions of messages, cracks started to show: hot partitions, random latency spikes, and the nightmare of tuning garbage collection. Enter ScyllaDB, a database designed to look like Cassandra, but with way better performance and fewer operational headaches. By 2020, Discord had moved most of its infrastructure to it and eventually even their message store. And the wild part? They migrated trillions of messages without any downtime. That's like swapping an airplane's engine mid-flight, and somehow nobody spilled their soda. But here's where it gets spicy. On Hacker News, people pushed back. Was Cassandra really the villain, or was it just misused? Some pointed out that Discord might have been running on outdated Java versions, leaving performance on the table. Others said, hey, Scylla still uses tombstones too. It just manages them differently. And get this, Discord didn't even change their schema when they migrated. Same data model, same partitions, which means the improvements weren't about restructuring data. They were about better infrastructure and tools. One of my favorite takes came from a commenter who said, choosing a system with different trade-offs isn't magic. You're just signing up for a different set of problems. That's a powerful reminder that technology is never done. Every solution comes with its own future headaches. So why talk about this now, when the blog post came out a couple of years ago? Because the lessons are timeless. Scaling, trade-offs, the human toil of keeping systems alive. Those aren't problems of 2022. They're the forever problems of engineering. And if you're stepping into tech today, tomorrow, or 10 years from now, you'll face the same kinds of choices. What inspires me most here is the spirit of the team. Engineers facing massive problems, building new tools, making bold decisions, and never giving up. That's real engineering. It's courage and creativity under pressure. But let's not end without a question. If you were designing the chat app of the future, handling not just trillions, but hundreds of trillions of messages, how would you build it? Would you use an existing database, invent something entirely new, or rethink how conversations should even be stored? Thanks for joining me on this journey. I'm Elly, and I'll meet you again for another tech story soon. Stay curious and keep building big.